Turning likes into dollars, how to sell on Instagram in 2021. Hey guys, Instagram has grown. Have you heard it's grown? They have 1 billion active monthly users now, and they have 500 million on Instagram stories and monthly users. So it's definitely a platform you need to check out. In this video I'm going to show you how and what to sell on Instagram, all the steps you need to take, and we're starting right now. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a big subscribe button down there. It's red. You want to click it, turn it gray. You also want to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live, and you don't have to miss anything. You don't want to miss anything, do you? Okay, Instagram, let's get right into it, guys. Instagram. Let's check it out. They've now even got Instagram shopping, so you can actually link your online store to your Instagram account. That's pretty cool stuff. Now, from mom and pop stores to huge brands, there's a lot of businesses on Instagram now. As a matter of fact, 90% of Instagram users say that they follow some type of business on Instagram. So it is mainstream now. It's time for you to get on Instagram. Check out the image on your screen right now, and as you can see, this is above average studio daisies. Start tagging products in your post and stories and turn engagement into purchases with the Instagram shopping sales channel. Shopify's Facebook channel makes it easier to sync your Shopify products with Facebook and leverage product tagging across posts, stories, reels, and more. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, I'm gonna put up on the screen here, your personal account needs to be converted to an Instagram business account. Your business must sell physical goods that comply with Instagram's commerce policy, and your Instagram business profile is associated with a Facebook catalog in the business manager. Once you've taken care of the step-by-step details that I've just put on the screen, you should be ready to start selling your products on Instagram. Now let's talk about the different types of things you can do on Instagram. So let's go up to the screen again. First thing is shoppable posts. In a nutshell, shoppable posts let you add product tags to your content so that people can buy directly from them. Product tags on Instagram are similar to tagging other users in your post, except you're tagging your products. This allows shoppers to click on your tags and quickly shop your catalog of products. Okay, you can see an example here on the screen and how that's done right there. Next one is product stickers in stories. With product stickers, e-commerce brands can tag specific products in stories, just like you can with standard product tags in post. The shop tab on your profile. The shop tab is where your profile visitors can find all the products you've tagged in your Instagram post, including the content that features them. Swipe up links and stories. While not a feature on Instagram shopping, swipe up links are a great tool for driving traffic to specific landing pages directly from stories. Previously only available to verified accounts, all business Instagram accounts with 10,000 or more followers can now add links to their Instagram stories. Now they also have Instagram checkout. When you enable Instagram checkout, people can buy directly from live shopping product launches and shopping for creators. If you're a Shopify merchant, you can use the Facebook channel integration to set up checkout on Instagram and Facebook. Shop Pay will automatically show for the customer, providing a faster and easier way for them to check out. So while all of these things work really well, I think a lot of people struggle with having really good pictures on Instagram. So what I'd like to do is go through what you need to do to really have good pictures on Instagram, get engagement, and get people buying your products. The first thing is create high quality product photos. Brands cannot afford to post poor quality product photos on Instagram, but don't worry. Today's smartphone cameras are often more than enough to take high quality product photos if you're on a limited budget. For example, Beard brand uses flat lay product shots to showcase fan favorites, adding product tags to each individual one, as you can see right here in this picture. But take a look at the three elements that make Beard brand's products image high quality. The backdrop. Use a black, white, or light gray backdrop behind your product to give your photographs a clean and consistent look across multiple products. Table. Utilize a table so that your product sits higher, which will make it easier for you to photograph it during the shoot. And light. The most budget-friendly option is natural window light. I love it. I have window light coming in on me now, but I also have other lights. Set up your product and equipment near a large window to allow for ample light in your frame. If natural light is not available, you can use a larger lamp, or rent a soft box or buy one. They're not that expensive nowadays. With multiple products featured in one photo, you can tag each one separately to let shoppers know and learn more about what they're interested in. Now, it may seem like a lot of work initially to get these product photos done, but once you've got them done, you've got them done, and you can use them over and over again. And that's how you have to think about it. Now let me give you another example, because what you'd like to do is showcase your products as a actual lifestyle. Okay, so check this out. This is the Herschel Supply Company, and it's one of the best businesses in helping shoppers imagine a lifestyle with its products. Okay, so what makes this Instagram marketing strategy so effective is that instead of using a call to action like shop or buy in its product photos, the brand simply shares stories from real individuals who love its products and even tags the people in the post. But if you don't have the time or resources to create high quality product images on your own, there's still another way to make your Instagram account stand out. Next thing you can do is curate user generated content. If people are buying your products and they like your products, they're probably posting about them. So you could actually use some of that curated post and pictures for your advertising. Check this out right here. One of my favorite examples of user generated content is done right from Inkbox Tattoos, with more than 1.5 million Instagram followers. It's the poster child for how effective UGC can be for brands. This is even more so with the introduction of Instagram Shop tab from the home screen. Here's another great example right here. Many brands have come to see social media as the gateway that lets them connect authentically with their audience members one-on-one. With user-generated content, brands give users the opportunity to tell real-world and oftentimes relatable stories, something that is hard to achieve with traditional brand-generated content. Next thing is use the right hashtags. You can incorporate those in your post. Here, let me show you an example real quick. This one here is pretty nice. I like this one right here. You can see the hashtag style right there. And you can see all the things that are in here. If you already have a good idea of hashtags that will work good for your brand, I would also consider using them on your shoppable posts. You can go broad with a hashtag like they did here, style or fashion, or it could be more specific like something like earrings addict. All right, let's look at one of the obvious things you could do. You could actually partner with an influencer because they already have a huge audience. Let me show you an example of that right here. Here's a really good post, and it says below it here, when @SavHer Wellness asked me if I'd be interested in partnering up for Mother's Day giveaway, my whole body and soul said yes. SavHer is an incredible premium aromatherapy and organic essential oils company with a mission to combat sex trafficking by providing dignified employment to survivors of sexual exploitation, many of whom are mothers. Every bottle sold helps support a new beginning for survivors. Now there's a giveaway right here, and it tells how to enter and all that. So not only have they used an influencer and they've got a really good product and they get it out there, but they also talk about a charity they're doing and how they employ people that have been taken advantage of. I think that's a pretty good Instagram post. Now let's look at some of these influencers. You've got nano influencers. Nano influencers are generally people with less than 5,000 followers. And then you have micro influencers who are between maybe 5,000 and 20,000 followers. Now why these are important is because they probably have a very strong bond with their audience, and they're going to be very inexpensive for you to partner with. So with the upcoming of nano and micro influencers, you can get advertisers, you can get influencers at a very low rate. The next thing you probably want to check out is Instagram stories. With 500 million a month active users, it's something that it's time to really use. Keep in mind when you're doing stories though, you want to educate and entertain. You want to do both of these. You don't want to just sell your products. If you're educating and you're entertaining, that's why people are basically online. They're not really online to shop and buy, but if you participate in doing very educational posts or maybe very entertaining, then you're going to connect better with your audience. You're going to have a much better chance of actually selling them your products. Next thing I want to tell you is use video. It's been said that 64% of people who watch the video online say they're more likely to buy a product because of that video. Videos are so important. I'm doing a video right now. We use videos a lot, and you should too. Next thing you probably want to experiment with is product stickers. You can actually use those in stories now, and it enables people just to click on it. They don't have to swipe up to actually get to the product. Okay, so here's an example right here. Other cool sticker features Instagram added in 2020 were food delivery and gift card stickers. So you can see the stickers there. In an effort to help small businesses during the illness, you can now share a gift card, food order, fundraiser stickers, and stories to your profile. So that's extremely helpful to do that. Here's one from Little Lemon. You can see it right here. Your favorite brunch items are now available for delivery. So all you gotta do is click there and you've got the sticker right there. Next thing you can do is go live. You can do Instagram live. Going live helps a lot. Now I go live on YouTube quite frequently, and it's interesting. I think a lot of times people can't show up and watch the live, but there's then that recording that is there that a lot of people can watch afterwards. So going Instagram live can be very helpful. And of course the last thing is ads. You can actually run ads, and they've done surveys, and the people on Instagram say 84% of the time they're actually looking for products on Instagram, and they discover new products on Instagram. So running an ad on there is not obtrusive at all to them. They actually enjoy it. In addition to that, they now have reels where you can create videos that are up to 30 seconds long, and it'll help you brand your business and get your products out there. If you're operating a Shopify store, you can actually connect that directly to your Facebook account and use your Shopify store just as you would selling off your website. So it makes it super easy. So as I mentioned before, 90% of the people on Instagram are following some type of business account. If you're not there and you're not getting all those people following you, you're missing out on all those sales. So check out Instagram. I think it's another way for you to go that can be very, very profitable, and it's kind of fun too, all the pictures and videos and stuff on there. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do me a favor, put a comment below in the comment section. If you have questions about any of this, feel free to put your questions below too. Let me know what you thought of the video. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Do you want to see something else, something similar to this? Let me know. I get a lot of my ideas from you guys. You are very helpful to me, and I really appreciate it. If you've had some success with Instagram, put that below. Tell me what you did. We would love to hear it. Thank you so much for watching this video. As a gift, I do have a course below, $97 course. You can get it absolutely free. Click and learn. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn that red button to gray if it is still red. That's a warning to you. You haven't subscribed. And then once that happens, a bell is going to pop up. I want you to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.